Adventure Slime, come on, bring your friends. We'll travel to very distant lands. And with Steve for the cows and Fluffy Seal. Do 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 do. Adventure Slime. Me, Fluffy Seal 123 with my good friend here, Steve for the cows. Sorry, the controls are weird.
If you want, you can call me Calf 101 or Calf.
Yeah. I prefer Steve for the Steve for the cow or for the cows. Yeah.
Because DA. Okay. And then what else? Oh yeah, Steve or Calf for short.
Yeah.
Because my two names are Steve for the cows or Calf 101.
Yeah, so let's start this.
Anyways, this is my room.
Yes.
So it's my thing. I can /ban Fluffy C123. Never mind, I can't. I can do stuff. I can, because this is my realm. This is a night level. I think it's called. Hold on, I forgot the name. 1 second. 1 sec. I just gotta. I don't know. It's probably like I think it's called a Night Tale, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. Wait, I need a part of my texture pack. 1 sec. You could stare at me. All you want while I do this.
Whee!
No, just gotta. Okay, there we go.
Hey.
Okay, alright. This is called a Night Hope or a Night Tale or something. Now I have the Fire Knight, Knockback Knight, which is Sophia, the Health Knight, and the Arrow Knight, which will be, or the Range Knight, which will be me. Right. Oh, okay, there we go.
No puppet.
Huzzah!
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 Yeah, girls can't only be pink and red.
Okay.
And
So
blue.
you wanna start?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. So this is the boat. It's created by what the heck? Wait, look at this guy. Look, it's a taco.
Wait, it's a taco? Oh my gosh, it's a taco.
It's a taco.
Oh my gosh.
We have Archie or something. And
Yeah.
then Gordamir. Oh wait, you're recording it, so you should.
Good.
You're recording it, so you should probably look at the names.
Okay, yeah.
So it's created by Let's Taco. Who's that?
Yeah, this guy right here. Because he's a taco.
Craft Master.
Yeah.
2000.
Over
here, we have two more people. This guy is Archie.
Yeah.
Or girl. And this one's Gordamir.
I think this guy could be a girl, just a weird guy who likes to go in girl skins. And like all these could be guys. All these could be guys or girls, for all we know.
Don't judge me. I play as females all the time on Terraria. Don't judge.
You are a disgrace to Minecraft.
What? What happened?
You are a disgrace to Minecraft. Just kidding.
How could you say that?
I'm just kidding.
1 sec. I gotta put all my volume stuff correctly because I changed my version all the way back to like what's it called?
Oh yeah, we also got this cute little guy named Slimer. Go in here. Ooh, the start, but no, we do not want to. Large chest is locked, and this chest is also locked. Aww.
Weather shall be 60. Okay, sorry about that.
Let's go!
Trying this week.
Stevie, come on, Stevie.
Woo! I can't see anything.
Me neither.
Woo! Please help me! I've been captured by the evil team. Slimy village.
Slimbo! Hey, dude.
I do great girl voices, don't I?
Yes. But I can do adult girl voices. Help! Hey, Steve. Steve, do you want to RP this?
Huh? Oh.
You want to roleplay this?
I don't know. You want to?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
I'm a great knight of awesomeness. Let's go.
Mm.
Oh no!
I will be a knight. My name shall be the Styro Scudif.
My name's Jack. My name's Steve. Hello, Steve.
Styro Scudif is what you'll call me.
Watch out! They're coming for you! Slimy
Styro
bear.
Scudif!
I'm missing!
Mega, thank you so much.
Thank
Step
you
on the
so
chat
much.
bubble. Next block. Next to me. Continue talking to me. Only assume you are a long awaited hero.
Wait, who's gonna do the voices?
Me. Also, this has been trying to take over my citizen mayor, getting robotics to join his army. Okay, if you want to end this region, King Slimbo lives in a castle near Slimy Village. Which, to get to you, you must enter the 1,000-year door. Mayor said, okay, the 1,000-year door can be found in the west side. And take this axe. You'll need to cut down fences. And Mayor something. Beware, there's an ancient knight guarding in the 1,000-year door, and you'll need to defeat him with all your worst. Okay. I got it.
Sorry, I was just editing my thing.
Oh.
Okay, now I can see the words better. Oh, I'll do this guy.
Okay.
Did you the religious for her around until Slimbo sends the slimy traitor for her eyes?
What's this guy? Who's this guy?
Who's this guy?
It's all because It's all because of that wicked King Slimbo. That there is all this slimy goop all over Rugboard.
1 second. I'm just cleaning off the slimy goop.
I don't think I would kill him.
Alright,
Oh, look how tight it is to jump on, though.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. Oops, I reread his text. Oh, a third time. Okay, well I got an axe.
I guess we should go through here.
Fence.
What's in here?
Oh, what's here?
Nothing.
Citizen Joe's home. Hey,
Citizen Joe.
Citizen.
Oh, I bet the Citizen Joe is evil. Let's look at his face.
Right? Is that your name?
Huh?
Is Saradis your name?
No, Saradis is Gyro. Just call me Gyro. Gyro. Call me Gyro.
Gyro? Okay. I'm
Slime and melons.
But you can call me Rock.
Pumpkins.
Rock and Rock. Okay. Oh.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Sure. You already changed it.
You have a little bit of slime right there. Just let me too much to clean up. There's another guy talking over here. There's another guy that says something.
It was a very peaceful day before the something showered.
Slimbo showed up. Yep, okay. Let's do. Oh, what's here? Oh, it's just black. Just a black of it.
I heard King. Oh, yeah, and Slime Rat.
Oh, look. Regeneration potion. 1 minute.
Oh.
Oh. I didn't say that. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty obvious. I can't see anything down here. Oh, look. There's a hallway over here. Oh, somebody said something. something down here. Do you know where I am? Okay, yeah.
Hello, creepy man. Oh, wait, mine! What do you say? I'll be hiding down here until the hero arrives and destroys King Slimbo. Sir, we are that hero.
Yeah, I'm way up here just so you know, but yeah, we are that hero. Oh, look.
Nothing.
Wait, were they calling us not hero enough? Gyro, Lucky? Let's go.
Call me Gyro. Or Gyra. Yeah, Gyra.
I'm Zoc.
Zoc?
Do you know?
Zoc.
Yeah, Zoc.
Zoc, I like it.
My full name is Zocinthar, but you can just call me Zoc.
Hey, I've heard that the door to Key Castle is locked in a cave right next to it.
Oh, interesting. Citizen Mike's home. Oh, that's like interesting.
Ooh, I got potions. They're resistance potions.
Oh, I only have a regen potion. Regen pot.
What are we supposed to do again? The king was talking too long.
What?
That one guy was talking too long, and I forgot what you were doing.
Oh. No?
What were we supposed to be doing?
Let me pull up. If you want to end this reign, King Slimbo lives in a castle near Slimy Village. Okay. Slimy Village must be this way.
I thought this was Slimy Village. Or no, it's not. It's not. I guess that we should go back to our ship and sail away.
You want to?
That seems pretty logical.
In that small door is a room with the 1,000-year door. The ancient knight sorry.
I'm gonna go back into the ship and drive it away. I think that makes sense.
Oh, I have a thing to break these acacia fences.
Oh, cool.
Hey, come on. This is where we're supposed to go.
I lost you.
So that has what is the 1,000-year door? Wait, can I? Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, there you go. Come on, this way. Right through here. I've already broke the fences. Oh, look, there's this guy. Oh, no! Oh, he's coming closer. This is kind of easy, but I don't want to judge. I don't want to.
Hit him while I hit him. Okay, I'll hit him towards you.
Ow.
I'll hit him towards you so then you can shoot him.
Regen potion. Regen. Oh, he's chasing me. Ah!
I wonder if he'll spawn anything. Yep, he spawned it.
Oh. I don't think he's aiming for you. I think he's only going for me. Bring him in the light.
He really does not like you.
Oh wait, I'm not actually gonna die, but ow. How long? Ow.
Dude, distract him while I hit him. You'll be the bait.
Ow.
You be bait.
Oh.
What the heck? No.
I'm gonna die. He's chasing me. He's trying to get me.
Man, right now I wish that we were both knocked.
Ow.
I wish I took I wish I paid attention in archery class.
What?
I wish I paid attention in archery class.
Oh, I wish I didn't. I wish I paid attention in what's it called?
It's knocked back.
In paint class. Is he still chasing me? I don't want to press F5, otherwise I might slow down. Get ready for some running. Yeah, right.
Did we even kill him yet?
I already feel that running. Quickly, Sophia.
Ow.
Before I die. Oh, I'm gonna die. Ow.
One sec, help me get him into a corner.
What?
Help me get him into a corner.
I hope that'll work. Ow! You bumped it towards me.
Sorry.
Ow. Ow. No, other side. Behind this. Behind this really... How did he catch it up? Oh.
Ah!
I'm back.
He's going after me.
Oh, good. I'm gonna try to get it. Let me try.
I'm just floating, buddy.
I can see that. You have like, what? Like 5 hearts? I can't see him. Did you got it? No. What do I do?
Oh.
Respawn! Respawn! Quickly! Corner!
Oh, hey, we got through here. Oh, never mind. Wrong way.
I feel like I don't think this is a boss. I think he's like killable, honestly. Ow! He's going so fast!
Did I kill him? Yay, I killed him!
Yes! Yes, we killed him!
Are you ready, dude? Dude, over here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm walking. I'm still walking.
Hey, why are you walking backwards? Ooh.
Whoa! What happened? Oh!
Please save me. It is only a matter
of
of time before he uses all of my powers to cover the whole world with goop.
Oh no!
Not goop! But goop's fun.
We're gonna drown in slime. This is gonna be like the DIY slime, but except it's gonna be all over us. It's gonna be like a tsunami of slime.
You distract him, I'll kill him.
Ow! I'm not very good with distracting, am I? Well,
Now you're
very,
awesome with
very
distracting.
distracting.
Ooh, I got more kills than you.
Place Ruby. We have to place a Ruby. Hey, look, it's a bird!
Where?
Right here.
Let's kill it! We need the meat.
We can't kill it. It's immortal.
It's magic.
It's a solid
Witchcraft!
rock, Sophia.
Witchcraft!
It's a solid rock with a face painted on it. Look, it's another one. Hey, look, a potion.
Aw.
What is it?
Well, I have more potions than you. I have 3.
What?
I
Oh,
bet.
no. Wait, one sec.
Help! Yeah, you know, you're very good. I bet that you're tasty. No, get Steve! Steve, he's much more delicious than me.
Yes, I am. Very much more delicious. Oh, please don't kill me. Do you need some help?
Nah.
Hector? It doesn't look like it.
Oh.
How do you turn off the net?
We are Scooby-Doo, wah wah.
I'm pushing every single...
Scooby-Doo,
These are the cows. Oh.
Scooby-Doo.
No. Oh. I don't want to do that. I already clicked the button.
Hey, give me a key.
Yes! I figured it out. I just pulled out. Oh, okay. Aha, the gate. Key. Yeah. Aha, the first key. There's something else.
You're now.
You know, with fighting skills like that, I could only imagine that you're the hero. Yes, I am. I recommend that you speak to our mayor. Her house is the one with red on it. She could help you get into Slimbo's castle, Slimy Village.
Wow.
Whoa.
The name speaks for itself.
I just lagged. I don't know why.
And now, if you heard, I don't know if you heard, but King Slimbo has abducted Princess Slimeria from the Goopy Kingdom.
Interesting. Interesting story.
No, we need to go to the house. We read on it. Well, oh, found it!
What?
I found the red house.
Oh, I found it too. I see. No, not again. That system disabled. But I keep this house just to talk to this and tell this that the laws away to zero. Guys, hey! We've been waiting forever! It's weird. Excuse me, I got a bit excited. Anyways, if you want to help us get rid of King Slimbo, then you must first get into King Slimbo's old house. He sounds the same when he yells and doesn't yell, just so you know.
Yes.
And to do that, you must find all of the boxes in this town that are shaped like this. And each box is an R block. All R blocks can be placed on its corresponding block at the edge of town.
Yeah.
You do not see the pure essence of awesomeness in my voice? How dare
Oh,
you?
regeneration! Hey, I saw it first!
Here, you can have it. I already have one.
Oh, sweet. Where is it? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Instant health, 16 hearts.
Remember to look for, your lock inside of boxes that are shaped like this. Then place your box and
Where's his old house? Oh, it's cool. Huh?
Hey, look,
Oh, cool. I got an emerald ore.
They're like copper chests. They're like copper chests. That's it, yeah.
Emerald?
Copper chests.
Emerald ore can be placed on emerald.
They're made out of carpet. Carpet? They're made out of carpet. Carpet. What's happening to my mouth?
Here we go.
And what kind of wooden copper bricks? How many are there again?
Count the stuff and count them. The food.
Can be placed on this floor? Can be placed on coal or...
Look for the flaming chests.
Huh?
Look for the chests that are exploding with slime.
Yeah, that's it. Oh. So, I found coal ore. And I also found this gun. So now we need gold ore and diamond ore. I think that's it. Oh, iron ore as well. Oh, there's this guy.
I got iron ore.
Oh, nice. There's this other guy that talks. There's some kind of puzzle here that can unlock that door to the house behind me. I just don't know what.
Ooh, the video's already 32 minutes. Do you want to...
Cut it in half?
Do you want...
Actually, that's a good idea. Like, make a part 2 and stuff.
Yeah. Or
I guess we'll have to, guys.
Yeah. No, we don't have to say goodbye.
Okay.
Here, I have an idea. Well, actually, yeah. Let's just say. Okay. Say your goodbye, Steve. Say your goodbyes.
3, 2, 1. Back to you, Bob.
Back to you, Bob.